Gee whiz, I put my camera bag down, there's a problem. No, hey! Hey! Yeah, there's nothing, it's plastic. Plastic. Monkey Island has stolen my camera filter. Yeah, that's not food. I was not intended for you. Hey! Well, this has been an inauspicious start to my boat tour in the archipelago of Halong Bay. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, yeah, we're going to take in some highlights in Northeast Vietnam, but having a monkey steal from my camera bag, that was not part of the goal. Halts. Tundra vegetation. Surprisingly works out here.
Say, this torpedo tube is...
Officers, arrest this thief. This, I think, is one of the guilty culprits who tried to steal from my camera bag. Welcome to Monkey Island. And here I thought the morning would be cold and boring. I should hope that the rest of the day in Halong Bay, on and off the water, won't be as exciting as my encounter with the local primates. This climb on the rocks in the morning, yeah, that's a whole lot more invigorating than any promised swim in Halong Bay. We achieved rocks, we achieved trees, elevation, and monkeys. I don't know how much more there is to see from Monkey Island, and admittedly, yeah, I want to get back to the boat. I'm still exhilarated by Mr. Monkey encounter. I wonder why we're not seeing monkeys at elevation. Could it have anything to do with the fact that these rocks are jagged? Okay, we've had our fun on Monkey Island. This is the ferry that will shuttle us through Halong Bay. Now, with the change in the plans of the day that Monkey Island was first, high tide has come in, and so now we have an improvised pier. Yeah, there ain't no quickly. Yeah. High tide, low shoes. Okay, now that the monkey madness has subsided, we are off of Cat Ba Island in northeast Vietnam as we head towards Halong Bay, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of the, geographic beauty, including the emerald waters and the thousands and thousands of limestone islands. Okay, the $20 day excursion with Cat Ba Eco Tours also includes lunch. Well, there are the clams. We've got tofu, root vegetables, roasted peanuts, and, some sort of, meat product. Time to enjoy.
Lower but more
efficient.
And if I'm at the back and do like this, and you pedal left, we go right. I do the opposite thing.
The less work I have to do, the better off we both are. Wow!
Oh my God!
This is just like Hanoi!
The banana is coming on us! Okay!
Oof. Well, I was just about to say we survived the bottleneck of the cave, and this is the view of what we paddled 20 minutes to see. Okay, even though we have the current helping us, thanks to Matthias for doing the paddling as we return back through the cave. This is one of a number of floating villages in Halong Bay. booze cruise. Borders on budgets, knowing when to steal other people's music. I was lamenting earlier about how cold and overcast it was, but perhaps on a day like today, the local colors become that much more resplendent when backdropped against gray clouds. Why do they always say hello when the camera's not running? I was actually expecting to stop somewhere in this fishing village, but then the consensus of the group is, where do we go? So on that note, this is the end of the story. So from Halong Bay in northeast Vietnam, thank you very much for tuning in. And a reminder, borders on budgets, long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. Yes, from Halong Bay in Vietnam, thank you very much for tuning in. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Which one means avalanche? Okay.
Just space up, really have making the best you can.
Okay, I guess this means the tour is over.
Thank you.
Did you like this video? Great. Help Borders on Budgets grow. Hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who would like to travel in Vietnam.